Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about importance of UI in web designing. What is UI design? A design medium that a user interact with. User interface. UI versus UX design. UX is forced on the user's journey to solve a problem. UI is forced on how a product's surface look and function. So there are some tools that we can use. In the past, we have used Photoshop to design user interfaces, design and prototype UI. Choose your weapon of choice. So Sketch is mainly for Mac, and there is Adobe XD. Adobe XD means Adobe Experience Design, and Figma and Invention. So we can design UI from these apps. Then design fundamentals. So first one is color and contrast, white space, then the visual hierarchy, complexity and simplicity, and consistency and scale. So those are the basic fundamentals when you design a website. So color and contrast, you can see the above picture here. It's like the colors are like overlapping and you can't see some text. Make it clear and more visible. Then you go to white space. The white space means the space between the top one is the wrong one, the second one, the below that is the correct one. So these are aligned and balanced from horizontally and vertical. Then the visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy means button. Mainly button needs to be pop up, not in the same color as the design. And that then the word enter to win today. It needs to be highlighted. You have to use bold there, and then you have to think which needs to be button, and you have to make the by submitting you agree to your terms. It's need to be small. So those are the visual hierarchy. Complexity versus implicity. So some of designers make mistake like putting shadows too much, put a stroke in every design, or put glow effects to every design. So it make complexity. If you go to simplicity, it's look like this. So mainly your website needs to be simplicity to the user to interact with. Then the consistency. When you choose a font, when you choose colors, it needs to be consistent. Such as like in here we have used Time New Romances, and here another font, and here Comic Sans. So we can use variations of fonts, but it needs to be two or maximum two fonts at least to show the variations. And likewise, you have to maintain the alignments properly. Then the other one is scale. So it's these principles are overlapping each other sometimes, and scale is like the button shouldn't be this much bigger, so it can be smaller but highlighted. Then your email address in here is too small, then you have to make it little bit bigger. Those are the fundamentals. Then the first step is again is after you know the fundamentals, you have to do the rough sketching, or then you going to do the wireframes. Then you deciding the colors, which colors are used, which colors I have to use in this website, or you can choose colors from the logo. Then you go to fonts. You select the fonts, right fonts, entire website. Then for example, after the wireframe you start doing the header. So when you do the design, there is a grid we used to mark in our artboard. So there are 12 columns. So in this column only we are going to design the elements. So this make a gihila to 2 by 2, divide into 2. So if you like, you can arrange the fonts in these columns. These are the main things when you designing a user interface. So the main consistency, you have to choose and design should be simple as this to user to interact with. You can use the header something like this with the strip, or you can put header something like this also. The main hero page, main hero image. So even this, I have used the vectors here, the same color, buttons are same size. Here you can see the visual hierarchy and the consistency here. So this is how you mainly go through when you creating a UI design. Thank you.